Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Obby, but you're a bird with Jenny and Valerie.
Let's go.
I'm White and let's get started. Come on, let's go guys.
Guys, I found a cheat.
You found a cheat way? What? Oh, this is so smart. Guys, take notes on this.
Take notes.
No, guys, I'm dying. No.
Well, it's too bad for you.
Oh, so rude. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna do the life hack
Okay,
again.
we're at the cave. We're Valerie at the cave.
Really? Guys, wait for me.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm coming. Okay, I'm almost there. Climbing.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Oh, I'm right there. Bro.
No, don't.
Okay, here I am, guys. Oh, let's go in the cave now. Woo! Let's go. Woo!
This is where I died.
Uh-oh, this is where I died too once.
This is a hard jump. Wait, Valerie.
Oh, she already went.
That's so easy.
Valerie went like nothing.
I know, but the first
It looks like a huge jump
You
though.
look yellow.
What? Where?
Look down here.
I do look yellow right here a little bit. Okay, let's go, guys. Which way is it? I think we go up here. Yeah, let's go up here, guys. Ooh, over here.
Point.
What? Oh.
Oh, get the checkpoint. Forgot about it. Checkpoint? Yeah. Yeah, checkpoint right there. Okay, let's jump up here. Jump. Whoa, bro, I missed that.
Oh.
Jump. Bro, I keep missing it. Okay, I need to stop, and then I need to jump. And then over here, and over here. Okay, let's go. Which way? What? Oh, you like jump right here?
You have to do a wall jump.
Ah! Oh my god, I almost died again. What do you have to do here?
A wall jump.
Oh, okay, I did it. Okay, let's go.
I love this day.
Oh my gosh. I don't know which way it is. I think it's this way, definitely.
It's this way.
Yeah, let's go. Wee. Oh, yep, it's this way. There's like a bridge right here. Let's go. Whoa! No, I didn't make it! Bruh, I have to restart that.
It's because you didn't believe you could fly.
Oh, yeah, I
You
did.
have to restart.
You had to believe that you
No, I have to like jump up here. Here, guys, here we go again. 1, 2, and 3. I believe I can fly.
You see?
Wow. Oh. Yay, I did it.
You just have to believe.
Cotton
Push them,
spikes.
push them.
What? No! I'm gonna die. Guys, don't touch those spikes.
No, actually.
Ah! What's over here? Wall jump?
Whoa, y'all are leaving me.
Ah, okay. Here we go. Cause yeah. Let's go. Jumping here.
Checkpoint.
Yay, checkpoint.
This is
Woo! Okay, which way? Yo, quack.
Oh.
Guys, where are you guys?
Did you see that?
Guys, where'd I go?
I believe I can fly.
I believe I can. No, I'm dying. No, guys, I'm dying. No.
Oh, I see you. Bye. Have a nice time.
No.
No, karma.
Guys, that's gonna be the end of the video for today because we're kind of rage quitting. Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.